Do you want to know what happens if you get shadow banned on TikTok? Well, you're about to find out. Before we jump into the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. I'm gonna go to my TikTok. I'm gonna share with you what happens when you get shadow banned on TikTok, and also why I think I'm shadow banned. I'll share that with you as well, and also my plan to hopefully, fingers crossed, fix it. So here's my TikTok account at Ali Mirza 2K. And if you look at some of the recent videos, so 200 views, 2,000, 700, 400,000, and then this was the video that had 28,000 views. So if I look at this video right here, let's look at the analytics, and then we'll see a lot of traffic is coming from For You page. But now let's look at some of the recent videos. So it seems like this recent video, I think this was yesterday, it had 2,000 views. So let's look at the data of that video. And look, there's no For You page traffic. Okay, fine. Maybe that's just one video. Let's look at this video too. More data. And look, no traffic from For You page. Let's go back. Let's look at this video. Same thing. No traffic from For You page. And obviously, if the content is not good enough for TikTok to put on For You page, you can see similar data. But in my account, in my case, what happened was around this time after this video, I had a couple of videos that got community guidelines violations from TikTok. I appealed. There were 3 videos. I appealed, and actually this was one of 2. When I appealed, TikTok reinstated this video, but the other 2, it did not. And it was actually very similar videos. The topic was the same. So the mistake I made, I deleted those 2 videos. And I believe after that, I am not seeing any traffic come in. Look at the same thing, following, and then from personal profile. No traffic is coming from For You page. Yes, so I know TikTok has said this many times, there's no such thing as shadow ban, but in my case, I made a mistake of mass deleting or deleting 2 videos back to back, I think very quickly, probably within the same second or in like 30 seconds, I deleted the same 2 videos back to back, and now I'm not able to see any traffic from TikTok. I might be able to show you, so if I go to my notifications and from TikTok, here are my appeal results. So here is the video appeal results. So this was restored. Here's the video appeal results. No further action. So we have not reinstated. So this was one video. And then there was another video right here. So we have not reinstated. So this was about a week ago on the same day. So something strange happened. TikTok did not reinstate my videos, and the videos were kind of a boo-boo on my profile, so I deleted them at the same time. Now, this is what the shadow ban quote-unquote looks like. I'm not getting any traffic for my last 6-7 videos. I'm not seeing any traffic For You page. So if you're seeing the same thing, you might experience that. You might have been shadow banned quote-unquote from TikTok. Now, what's my plan to fix this? I'm going to do several different things. One, I'm going to try to keep on posting consistent content, maybe once a day, maybe once in every 2 days. I'll try to go live. I'll try to engage with other people. And also, I'm going to try to be very careful about the content I'm going to post. So I'm going to try to be a good consumer and producer on TikTok. I'll also go live, and hopefully from different research I've done, different people I've spoken with, it seems like once you get into the shadow ban phase, it can take up to 2 to 5 weeks. So we'll see. I'm going to try to be a really good user and producer on TikTok. And by the way, if you want to see different actions and maybe results, let me know in the comments below if you're interested in, because I'll document different actions I'm doing and also the results maybe in a week or 2, and see if I am able to get unshadow banned or not. Maybe my account, hopefully not. If this is permanently, if I'm not able to get back on the good side of TikTok, then maybe I'll have to create a new account. I don't know. But if you want to find out, if you want to know the journey, the step, the process, and also what happens with my account, let me know in the comments below, and also subscribe to my channel because I'll definitely create a video about that. The other thing I want to do is I will also report the problem to TikTok. So I'm going to go to the three dots, and then there's a place here called report a problem. And then you can click on this chat thing, and then you can share the feedback with them. So I haven't done that yet, but that's another thing. I do want to post a couple more videos and see what happens. If I don't see any traffic from For You page, I'm going to send them a message, and let's see. So there's several things I'm doing. I'm posting content, posting good content. I'm going live. I'm engaging. I'm also going to send them a message through that report a problem. So we'll see if I'm able to fix this shadow ban or not. Right? Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.